The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route the fuel. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. Leaving fuel sitting in the carburetor for a month or more at a time can cause varnish and corrosion to form inside, restricting or stopping the flow of fuel. The kit includes the assembled carburetor, a couple lengths of fuel line, and splice fittings. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your tool's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter assembly from the carburetor. Now I can remove the throttle cable and the fuel lines from the carburetor. Now I can install the new carburetor. You'll notice the fuel inlets are in a different location than the old carburetor. The kit comes with some extension pieces and splices to make up that difference. So first, I'll install one of the splices onto the return fuel line, and then the extension piece. I'm going to cut down the incoming line so it's the same length as the original return line, and install the second splice. And the extension piece of fuel line. Now I'll place the carburetor over the intake and size the lines. First the incoming line, and the return line. And I'll reconnect the throttle cable. Now I can reinstall the air filter base. I'll remove the air filter cover and insert the screws through the base that came off of the old one. Now remount the carburetor by sliding the screws through it and into the isolator mount. I'll reattach the crankcase breather. And finish up by installing the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the carburetor on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.